Hello everyone, I'm back with another trading session. In today's video I will take a couple of trades with a price action theory. So here you can see that we have been broken this very strongly, okay, broken the support, but we have been creating higher high though. It could have a very nice breakout trade. Let me just take a one breakout trade here and then I will go with the price action. Okay, so after this breakout trade, which is going to give me a green candle, I will see how this is going to behave, and if this is a good opportunity, I will go a 3 to 5 minute trade after this. Okay, so this area is a very strong support area. You see that how they broken the support, and the way they broke the support is they use this overlap as a supply area and a deciding point, a decision point for the market to break this. Okay, let me see if we're gonna win this trade. You know, that would be amazing if we're coming up and then I would enter at the touch of this and then we could drop, but I don't know why it's playing with me. We also have this gap down though. It should reject, I don't know. Alright bro. Okay, so if we win this trade, I'm expecting a, you know, push up to the upside, of course, you know. So if we're coming up, I wish I could set some alerts or something. But anyway, so let's look at the other pairs. Alright, we have a QM here. Can you see the QM? It should be fast. Okay, let me just check the oh yeah, we have the confirmation here. Let me just go to the lower time frame. Alright. Okay, so the better entry is up here. Okay, but if we're gonna take the risk, we can also take a low risk trade on this one. Okay, so I will mark the zones. All right, okay, so we will take a low risk trade on the blue zone, and then we also will take high risk trade on the blue zone, and then a low risk trade on the zone above. Okay. Oh my god, in 1 minute we have a very beautiful doji. Oh my god, how many opportunities today we have, bro. Okay. I really want to take this as a buy. Okay, I go with the buyers right here, because that's a huge gap down, but it's 50, so if we lose this, it's nothing. Okay, let me see. Okay, we also have this doji break, and I will take this as a buy as well, but this time I would go double trade, or maybe I should go with 100 here, because the previous trade is probably losing trade. Let's go with the buyers. Okay, so the previous trade was a losing trade. On this one, I thought the buyers can enter at least like that, because of this gap down, and I thought the price is trying to go to this area to drop, but it didn't happen. No problem, just trying to drop from right here, and since we don't see any setup, we're not going to take a trade. Okay, for this one we have $100 trade because of the doji break, and there's another reason for taking this trade. Can you please tell me in the comments? If you're a long-time follower or subscriber, you have to know this, bro. There's no way you don't know the second reason for taking this trade. But look at this is a crazy downtrend, so it's against the trend when you have gap up as a confirmation for the sellers. But you know, we go with the bars right here because this is a very nice doji. Let me see if they're gonna let me down. Come on, boy. Okay, yeah, you know, doji never lies, bro. Okay, so another reason, let me just mention it myself. First touch, second touch here, and then we're breaking that. This is a evening star pattern. So the retracement for the evening star, break of doji, and 1 to 3rd touch break. But you know, on the other side, we have some reasons to not take this trade. Strong downtrend, okay, and this gap up. So you can see that for taking this trade, we have a lot more reasons. Okay, so we made up the $50 loss on this one with this 100, so we're going back to 200 now, you know, All right, so here you can see that the market is moving, like it's creating ABCs like that. So I have to see if there's any opportunity for me. All right, this gap up right here. All right. Okay, it doesn't even touching the retracement point of this one. So I doubt taking this trade. Oh my god, we have another doji here. So we are in this ranging market. Market's trying to bounce between these two levels, and then it's going to decide to go up or go down. And now we are at this doji, and maybe inside of this engulf we have some entry point for us. Let me see. All right, bro, we have nothing here. We might be able to enter right here with a very small risk. It comes down, I go right here. Let's see, very small risk. How many minutes? Okay, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. All right, we enter right here because this is a QM at the lower time frame, and inside of this engulf right here. Okay, so I go with the buyers here. Oh my god, let me see. I'll go with the buyers down here though. Okay, I go with the buyers right here because of the doji break, obviously. And we'll see what's going to happen. I have a strong feeling it's the time for breakout, and this is a swing doji. You can see it's starting on this doji. For example, you see the doji between like somewhere here. It's not a swing doji, but when you see a swing on the doji on the swings, it's probably swing doji, and it's not going to respect that. So I still take this with 50. All right, we're testing out. Okay, that's a losing trade, no problem. Still gap up, bro. What about the first entry? You can see the engulf, right? If you haven't watched the QM video, you have to watch it after this video so you can understand what I mean. So inside of these engulfs, there's some advanced setups. One of them is QM, okay? So if you go to lower time frame, you will see like this. Look at this. ABC to the downside and then the break. So this area is going to be QM, or even you can consider this area as well, okay? They're the same. They're actually the same. So inside of this, I took my entry on this rally-based rally as lower time frame entry, okay? And we won this trade somewhere here. Okay, so you can see this dropping. All right, we have overlapping level here. We had some sort of doji, and then we had a QM. Let me just check for the confirmation. No, not really. So, you know, combining this doji break on this candle with this QM area would make this trade takeable, but anyways, I will go with 200 and find a good setup now. All right, we have an ABC right here. You can see that ABC to the downside. I will take a sell, go up. No. Did it? Okay, I go with the sellers right here. I'm expecting a rejection, okay? We also have this strong support right here. Yeah, this ABC is one of those ABCs that it's basically combined with... Okay, that was a bit... Oh my god, I was so lucky. I was so lucky here, man. Okay, it's somewhere in the market that the market decided to break this strong support. And you might ask why this is strong. Because we have a double bottom also here. And this is the third touch support broken. And this doji right here has decided to break this level. And this ABC, this is another supply here. Of course we could lose this trade, but you know, I was so freaking lucky here. Yeah, so I will take one more. Okay, we have ABC to the downside again, so I will take another one here. Come on, man. That'd be amazing if we were somehow closing above. And also we have this QM. Like, no. Let's see. I have this QM, but I think we don't. Yeah, we have the confirmation. Let me see. Oh, the entry's way up there. The entry's actually up. Somewhere here, let's see. Somewhere here can be the entry. But okay, I could enter right here because we touched this. And if I go to 7 seconds left, let's try to break that, bro. Another entry is going to be in this overlapping level. Let me see if I can. Okay, I go double trade for the next candle. That's better now. Okay. Yeah, we basically entered at the safer one. The first entry basically lost. And let me tell you why. So here, this right here is the optimal entry. So I don't think we're going to lose this trade. Today's trading session is somehow fucked up. But anyways, this is the main entry. And this is the doji that created that overlapping level for us. Okay, so beside the supply and demand, I mean the basic supply and demand as entry, you can also count on the overlaps when you see them as lower time frame entry. So if we go more optimized here, we could have this zone right here. So my first entry was somewhere here, I guess. Let me just see. Yeah, sometimes it happens when people get impatient or yeah. Okay, that was a winning trade. Let me see what was my first entry here. My first entry was here, bro. Like exactly right here. Here, which was a losing trade. But it's not a good good one here. But yeah, so always when you're trying to take QMs, always go safer entry. Always. So in this case, if we have two entries, one here and one here, go with the safer. Okay? And if you lose, don't just lose your hope, bro. Just keep trying, okay? Just like that. I lost here, but I made it up right here. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Today's video is somehow like mixed up, a lot of losing and winning trades, but you know, it's just because of the markets, you know, playing with me. And it's choppy somehow. I don't know, it feels weird because there's not a lot of traders in the market. And yeah, thank you for watching, everybody.